Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Little disclaimer before I get into the video, I am not a hairstylist or hair colorist or whatever it is. I've just been dyeing my hair for a couple of years at home, and I just want to be clear that this is not a tutorial. This is just me filming my own experience of bleaching my hair. Let's get into it. So I decided to bleach my skunk stripe, and I was like, why not make a video about it, since I also filmed the last time. I dyed it pink and green as well, so yeah, here we go. I already sectioned off my skunk stripe, and I'm using blue bleach, 20 volume developer, gloves, foil, and a bowl and something to mix. So first I mix the bleach with the developer, of course, until it's a nice smooth yogurt-like consistency. This stuff smells so strong, so if you decide to use bleach, make sure you are in a well-ventilated room or even wear a mask while working with this stuff. It smells so bad. So then I sectioned off my hair into smaller pieces to make sure the bleach gets into every little hair strand. And I didn't have a brush with me, so I just used my hands to apply the bleach. And I wanted to retouch my roots first. At this point, I don't even know if you can call it roots anymore. Let's just say my new growth.
Great.
Like I just said, I wanted to get my new growth as light as possible first before anything else. So that is what I did first. And after every section, I wrap my hair up into foil to make sure that the bleach doesn't dry up in my hair and to trap in the heat so my hair can lighten up a bit faster. And after applying bleach to all the sections and wrapping them in foil, I went back to check if I applied enough. If I felt like I didn't, I just used a little bit more. Then after 15 minutes, I went back and applied the rest of the bleach to the ends of my hair to lift the pink dye out, and I also did my roots. Waiting another 15 minutes, this was what my hair looked like, and I took out all the foils and washed the bleach out of my hair. Washing it out left me with these results, and at this point it was like 2:30 a.m. so I just decided to go to bed and stop here so I could continue another day. This is me 2 days later, and I'm applying a bleach bed onto the pink hair to get some more of the pigment out. And I made a bleach bed using a bleach mixture, of course, using 20 volume developer again. And to this mixture I added a squirt of shampoo and a little water to bring down the strength of the bleach. I rinsed it out after 15 minutes, and this is what my hair looked like. As you can see, it did make my curls drop a bit, but I knew that this would happen, so I wasn't that shocked. Just means that my little skunk stripe is gonna need a bit more attention, moisture, and conditioning. After this, I just decided to stop here and braid my hair to keep it out of my face for the rest of the day and continue the process another day. Then I came back another 2 days later after going to the beach with my yellow hair up in a bun. I looked at my hair and I could see that my ends were actually way lighter than the new growth. So to fix this, I decided to bleach that part one more time. This time I found a paintbrush and I used it to apply the bleach, and it actually helped and did the job. So yeah. As you can see, I'm avoiding my roots, and I went back 5 minutes after the rest started to lift so I could make sure I didn't get any hot roots. These are the results that I got after that last round of bleach, and this is where I decided to stop, and it was light enough for me. The next day I went out to go buy a toner, and I went for the Wella T27 paired with a 10 volume developer actually. And I know in the instructions of this toner it says to use a 20 volume, but I watched a YouTube video where a professional hairstylist and colorist actually explained why in some occasions you could use a 10 volume developer. I'm actually gonna add the little clip in because I don't want to misinform anyone on this part.
I have in the past mixed it with a 10 volume developer instead, and I've done that when I want more deposit and less lift. So lift, think of how bright you want it.
And again, this stuff also smells super strong as well. So if you use this stuff, make sure you have some fresh air coming into the room you're in. For the toner, I actually went in with a test patch first, just so I could see what color my hair would turn out to be. This is what my hair looked like after rinsing the test patch out, and I was good to go for the rest of the section. Here I'm just repeating the steps I just showed you guys, and I sped this part up because it wasn't that entertaining to watch, and it's basically the same thing I just did. These are the end results of my hair. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. It's something different that I have to get used to, but hey, this is me and my curly girl lifestyle, always doing something new and fresh, period. So thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.